Did you know that you can get free unlimited Gmail emails with one Gmail account? Before we get to the next step, click subscribe to be up to date with new videos. Gmail ignores any word you add after a plus sign in your address before @gmail.com or your company domain, so you can basically have an unlimited number of email addresses, all using the same Gmail inbox. For example, if your email address is hello@gmail.com, emails sent to hello+news@gmail.com will still arrive in your inbox. How is this useful? You can use the same email address to manage both personal and business accounts for online services. Just add +1 after your usual email address before @gmail.com or your company domain, and voila, the service provider sees it as a new address, even though it's connected to the same Gmail inbox. You can also set up filters. For example, you can create a filter for the emails sent to yourmail+social@gmail.com, and they will be automatically labeled social media as soon as they arrive in your inbox.